Yeah,
where is
so
this?
this
The place
is
is nice though.
yeah. But this is nice. This is like a few minutes from Ocean Point.
Yeah, I see what I go on. Just take a little spin.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Grand Palladium Resort and Spa.
Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
Yes, so we actually have a reservation here.
What's the name? The reservation was made at the... I saw what I was stream.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the Del Prat family, you know? Alright, so this weekend is Cassie's birthday, actually tomorrow. Alright? We went ahead, well, I went ahead and we booked a hotel, right? For an all-inclusive stay for the weekend for us, right? Cass have no clue, you get me? She just thinks so we'll probably go down on the grill for a one day and come back, you get me? Yeah man, she don't know what go on, and even up to in the week, she thought we were staying home. You understand? But we couldn't really keep it that way there and have her prepare herself to go up on the road. So what I did, I tell her so we're gonna do a one-day trip on the road and thing, and so she gonna get ready. She gonna get her eyelashes done. So during that time now, we just basically we pack the clothes them right in a suitcase or put them in the car, right? But we pack the one-day bag with one suit of clothes for myself, Jaden, and her, you know. So she not gonna know what I go on. So yeah guys.
It's a secret.
Yeah man, so just I try keep it that way there and get her reaction, because we know a long time she want we go up on a little getaway, but time and every kind of prevented us for the longest while. You see me I say 2020 never nice, so you know we just find the opportunity now, so we actually go on things. So guys, you probably actually saw in a recent upload when I tell her about we're gonna stay home and cook, you know, because I really want to surprise her with the trip, but it's a hard, as I say, to really carry her out if she never prepare, because I want she look her best as well. So I tell her so we're go up on the road for the day and thing. And big up Jason, thanks for the idea. You know what I mean? Me and him a reason, long time bridging, and him say, yo, might as well do it that way. They just tell her say you go up on a one-day trip and pick up the clothes them. So that's what I did. She been wanting to go to the Cool Runnings water park as well. So I say, alright, that's how I go today. Zine. But Grand Palladium, which is the hotel I will be going, is actually on the way there. So I can actually pull off into Grand Palladium and see our reaction. Guys, know the intro kinda long, but yeah, so that's it there. So join us, alright? Hey, what's up, what's up, what's up?
Hey guys, what's up? So we are back again on the road. We got our sleeping companion with us.
Yeah. As the wheels rolling, man, I am that gun.
Can't keep up. Can't keep up. So we're on the road. We are now in St. Anne.
Yeah.
Wait, where are we going?
Alright, we're going to Negril, guys. Alright, tomorrow is Cassie's birthday, you know? So we start treat her from way out, you see me?
Yo.
Start treat her from way out, man. Our first birthday as
Mr. and Mrs. As Mrs., right?
Yeah.
So we are in for some fun. I'm certainly in for the treats. See, I'm looking all glammed up.
Yeah.
Right? I go all sort out my eyebrows and eyelashes, come back and see my man looking all dapper. So we are
a long
off.
time I wait for other people, so we have plenty of time.
So we are off now. So we'll be carrying you guys along with us. So I hope you enjoy this vlog. See you guys.
Yeah, guys.
What's up, guys?
Yeah.
So we're in Mobay.
Hold on there. Yeah, better, right?
Yeah, that's a lot better.
Yeah.
We're in Mobay. We are on Queens Hill. We're on Queens Hill.
Just drive on Mobay. We know the road there, you know.
We're on Queens Hill, and of course there is traffic. So, yeah.
Jaden run up on him phone. Him phone, him tablet to play a game. From sleep to tablet, you know.
And I guess back to sleep until we reach. Oh yeah, this is a nice view. Let me carry down the window and show y'all. So from up here you can actually see the harbor right there. And the coast. So guys, we are on our way. So we have about what, an hour left to go? 45 minutes, half an hour.
Yeah,
I think about half an hour because normally Hanover is not that, doesn't have that much traffic like here. So
people, I'm not lie still, you know. She look pretty for her birthday, you know. You understand? She glowing, you know. She glowing, man. I love the outfit.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Yeah, man, I love the outfit, man. I like how you pick out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Looking at you remind me of our wedding day, isn't it? Yeah, man. Very beautiful, isn't it?
Yes.
Look like you really, really glow for the special day then.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Yeah.
Yeah, people. So, I didn't have any plans, so my only plan was just to get glam and look pretty. So, job accomplished.
Yep.
So we're at the bottom of Queens Hill now.
Them call us a top road people.
Yeah.
Top road.
Top road.
Who know Mobile you have top road and bottom road. So yeah. We're up on top road. I just some for drive so. Jeez. Look on the traffic people. Look on the traffic. Look on the traffic. My God. Oh babe, Jano. May I say to the time, you know, we come now for go got a place there. We not gonna have much time
to like swim around and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But more about.
Huh?
Just worried about Jaden. He's gonna.
Oh, probably want to sleep and so.
No, he's gonna flip out when he has to come out of the water.
Oh yeah.
Really?
Yeah. But we can go spend at like a 2 hour or something. At the water park.
Yeah.
And then we find a restaurant, you know?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so at least we can still say, you know, we enjoy the day and stuff like that, you know what I mean?
I already enjoy my day, but yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We soon reach though.
Yeah guys, so we're now at Bogue. We're exiting St. James and on our way to Hanover. Baby, no places now.
Yeah.
Yup. Alright guys. Guys, catch that view here. Nice.
Getting some light. Yeah.
This view is just awesome.
Fabulous.
You guys will be here driving through this.
Yeah.
Like, it is awesome.
Perfect, you know?
Yeah, it's a really good feeling.
You see what Hopewell in it?
We just passed Hopewell, the sign said.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're on our way now to Lucy.
Yeah.
So we just outside of Hopewell. Sign them as well. But it was so nice, guys.
Yeah,
Jamaica is beautiful. Hey guys.
Yeah.
So we're passing a familiar spot.
Yeah, man.
Ocean Point. Yeah. So we're now in Hanover. Almost at
Hold on.
So yeah.
I'm taking the atmosphere a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah. Hold on then. Down the road. We're not too far from where we're going though, guys.
Yeah. So
you know,
this is
we're not too far at all. Hold on there.
Yeah, so this
is a nice though.
Yeah, so this is right.
Well, mega look. Well, me do nothing more than me just stop. Hey,
okay, so easy. But this is nice. This is like a few minutes from Ocean Point.
Yeah.
So Ocean Point is like literally like right there.
Right.
Yeah.
I see what I go on. Just take a little spin.
Yes. But we are late.
Yeah, me nah, like I done there, so I say more look. You see me? Yeah. That place look nice too, so.
I've always seen it when I'm passing.
Yeah.
But
I know where them are do so long. Guys, the security guards, they are checking to enter. So as I said, I just have to do a little, I just have to go down there and spin and come back out. You know? Yeah. So you enjoy your day so far? You like to drive out?
I do.
Hmm?
I do. I was just telling Adrian that I like being out, you know?
Yeah. The
like
time I go doing, guys, for cool running.
Yeah.
But as I said, I just have to spin you, so I just want to see how inside look, and then we can leave and continue from away. But we never even expect say the gateway would take so long though. You know?
If they're really doing fine checks to explain so that you're supposed to be there, but suppose we can't get in.
Right here?
Suppose we can't go in.
Well, make us say still, this place is really nice for a weekend getaway though.
Yeah.
I'm always here about down here, you know? Yeah. She really take long still. She really take long.
She's just socializing. She's being very social. She's really enjoying the socialization at this point.
Look, I said she get through now. Oh, look like.
But how do you check the temperature? There's so many persons in this vehicle.
Oh.
How do you know? You only check one person's temperature? I don't know if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Grand Palladium Resort and Spa.
Good afternoon.
Hi, good
Hi.
afternoon.
Yes, so we actually have a reservation here.
What's the name? The reservation was made. I saw the down stream. What's the name? The reservation was made on.
Yes.
Alright.
You found them?
It's in Adrian.
Yes, yes.
3% checking in.
Correct.
Alright.
Yes.
So you're going to take a left turn up the hill, first right. You see
Okay.
a lovely light. That enjoy yourself now.
Alright.
Alright.
Thank you.
Take care.
Yes.
Same to you.
Hello, I was keeping the secret, but I'm
Are you all hearing this? He was keeping the secret for
Yeah,
a
what
very
out
long
there then?
time.
Is it when she said left? Take left?
She said left and wait, look for a lobby. Look for
Oh, wait, Jay, wait, Jay, wait, Jay.
said left, keep left and look for a lobby.
Oh, up
similar
there,
to this
so.
one.
Well, I was up there, so then.
Yeah, keep left.
Okay, our hold this.
So you said, Jay, you were keeping it for a very long time.
Yes, everybody was keeping a secret for a very good time.
Oh my god. Y'all make Jaden can keep secret now. Like,
Yeah.
so babe,
Yeah.
so y'all have been planning a surprise, huh?
Yeah.
And Jaden kept the secret.
Yeah, man, me tell him, say, yo, Jaden. Me say, yo, Jaden, me know why you bust this, you know, me know why you bust it.
Guys,
But even when we left out, me know why you said nothing. Yeah, so you never have no idea at
he
all.
said sharp right and sharp right.
Huh?
He said a sharp right and another sharp right. So go down, TV. So
yeah, so what do you think? You never have no,
I was kinda, you know what I mean? But then I'm
kinda
enjoying
what,
my
kinda
day.
what?
I was kinda like, but we're really late for cool runnings. You're very calm. Like he's very calm and we're very late for cool runnings. I'm enjoying myself though. Like I was enjoying myself because I'm pretty up.
Yeah.
So I was very calm. I was like, okay, Adrian is a bit weird at this point. Why is he so calm?
Normally, me not like late in the people. Normally, me stress out when me late, you know. And that's how you take so long.
Yes.
And, you know?
So I was like, okay. But I was enjoying myself. So I was like, you know, we got to cool runnings.
Yeah.
We're going to still enjoy ourselves.
Yep. Alright.
And he kept reaffirming that so it's gonna be okay when we go. Come here and say, sure, cool runnings at this time because you guys won't be able to have all the fun that you want. You know, they're the adventurous type. So, like, guys, this guy's got suitcase packed, all these things.
Yeah, you know?
I'm so proud of Jaden that he didn't
I tell you,
burst it out.
you're going to the house and look for clothes and all them things. Them you have to unpack one at a time, you know. One at a time, I have to put it back the clothes. Them. Come directly say, yo, just buy just buy something where you can wear because I never want you to go in the room and dig up for no clothes, you know. And I still see she gone in there and look for clothes. Hey guys, she's soon to be birthday girl a roll in now. You know? Yeah. I'll check in a minute, you know? There we go. Thanks. Yeah.
Welcome to the
Jaden. What you playing? Yeah, so you like it, surprise so far.
I'm loving it, guys. I am loving it.
Good to know. Good to know. So you were surprised?
I was. You were trying so hard to throw me off, and I was like, put one in, but then I say, late, you sure? And I'm like, how come the agents are calm? You know? Yeah.
Yeah, so
Pleasantly surprised.
if you're not getting tin mackerel this year, maybe next year though, babe.
Both in mackerel. Don't it?
maybe next year. Yeah guys, so thanks for coming along with us, you know. Alright. Birthday girl to be, you know.
One more year, guys.
One more year.
And we're so happy to be spending this birthday. Well, we spend a lot of other birthdays together, but this birthday is kind of special. It's the first birthday since we've been married, so
okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Something special. But guys, remember to subscribe.
Yep.
Hit that post notification bell, because that will let you know every time we post a video. You don't want to miss that. You don't want to miss that. Alright? And if you like what we're doing, you like our content, give us a thumbs up.
Yep. Alright guys, peace out.
Bye.
Thank you.